Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To protect electronics from salt water, start by using waterproof cases or enclosures specifically designed for your devices. These cases often have seals and gaskets to prevent water intrusion. Additionally, apply a water-repellent coating to exposed areas, which can provide an extra layer of protection. For maintenance, regularly clean your devices with fresh water and dry them thoroughly to remove any salt residue. In case of accidental immersion, immediately turn off the device, remove the battery if possible, and let it dry completely before attempting to use it again. Desiccants can be used to absorb moisture from the internal components.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.